FYI 10 ways to teach you to solve the problem of LightyearVPN unable to connect to the network in macOS. When you use LightyearVPN on Apple computers, you may sometimes encounter the problem that LightyearVPN cannot connect. It shows connected, but it still can't circumvent the wall, and Google, Facebook, Twitter and other websites cannot be opened. At this time, it may be due to some network setting problems of macOS, Apple computer. LightyearVPN cannot set the system network proxy normally. The following 10 methods can help you troubleshoot possible problems and let you try and experience LightyearVPN happily. 1. Try another line. You can try other lines first recommend the BGP line, then the CN2PA line. You can also try other lines. Then switch to different network modes on the client's setting interface. You can choose GFW mode, bypass China mode and global mode. 2. Try other browsers. Sometimes the proxy cannot connect, it may be because of the browser settings. The recommended browsers are Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge. Try not to use 360 browser, QQ browser. 3. Browser plugin interference. Browsers such as Chrome cannot connect because of the interference of plugins, such as AstaVPN, OlaVPN, UnblockYuku, Switchy Omega, Google Access Assistant, GreaseMonkey and other plugins. You need to close them all and try again. Regarding the problem of Google Chrome not being able to access the internet, here is one more sentence. The plugins mentioned above take over Chrome's proxy settings, so you need to cancel their proxy settings on Chrome. You can find it in Chrome settings, and then disable it. 4. Start the virtual network card mode. You can try the startup virtual network card mode of LightyearVPN. Versions after 2.0.0 support this function. After enabling this mode, all TCP and UDP traffic on the computer will be forwarded to the virtual network card adapter on the computer, which is the transparent proxy mode. How to start the virtual network card, or if you encounter difficulties after it is turned on, please refer to the virtual network card help document. 5. Browser settings. Some browsers need to be manually set. Take Firefox as an example. Firefox needs to be manually switched to the system proxy, which can be found in the settings. 6. Check the system network settings. Check whether the network settings of the system are started normally. When you connect to any line of Lightyears, the button on the main interface is green and is in the connected state. Then go to the network settings interface of the system, open Network Preferences Network Advanced Proxy, make sure that the SOCKS proxy is selected and set to 127.0.0.1:8080. If it is not automatically set, please fill it out manually, as shown below. Under normal circumstances, Lightyear will automatically set up a network proxy, which may be caused by an installation error. It is recommended to completely delete Lightyear and then reinstall. 7. Try other network modes. On the setting interface of LightyearVPN client, switch global mode, bypass China mode or GFW mode. 8. Install the client to the application folder. Please make sure LightyearVPN is installed in the correct path, application folder. Installation in other places may cause errors such as inability to connect. 9. Administrator password. When running LightyearVPN for the first time, you need to enter the correct computer administrator password. Inputting wrong or not inputting will result in failure of normal operation and network connection. 10. Reset the network. Try the reset settings and reset DNS buttons in the VPN settings interface of Lightyear, and then restart the computer. 11. Restart the client. Quit completely, restart the software. 12. Restart your Mac computer. Try restarting the computer. 13. Reinstall the latest version. Reinstall LightyearVPN. First completely delete LightyearVPN, and then install the latest version. You can download the VPN from the official website or download it from a network disk. 12. DNS settings problem. Because your computer may use domestic DNS and cannot resolve websites such as Google, you need to modify or add 8.8.8.8 to your DNS server list. Specific operation at last. If you still cannot connect to the network at the end, please contact LightyearVPN customer service to find a solution.